Imagine investing just 12,500 per month. That's less than what most people spend on dining out and subscriptions, and ending up over 40 lakhs in 15 years. No market risk, no stress, no sleepless nights during stock crashes. That's the magic of PPF, that is Public Provident Fund. It may not sound flashy like stocks and mutual funds, but those who value guaranteed returns, safety, and peace of mind, this scheme is nothing short of a gold. Hi friends, my name is Mansi and you have started watching Bosswala English channel. Today I am not just giving you a lecture on PPF. I am walking you through my actual PPF account, how much I have invested, how much interest I have earned, and why I consider this scheme a non-breakable piggy bank for my future things. This isn't financial theory. This is a real life experience and real money. Let's begin with what my PPF account actually looks like. I've opened with ICICI Bank, but you could open it anywhere: SBI, HDFC, Canara Bank, and even a post office. The point is, whichever institute you choose, your money isn't held in that bank. It goes straight to the government of India. That means even if bank shuts down, your PPF money is 100% safe. This is a central government backed scheme, not just any bank product. Okay, let's imagine that I have opened my PPF account on 31st of July 2020. It wasn't just opening a savings plan, I was starting a financial mission. The account matures after 15 years, but there's a twist. Because I opened it after 1st April, the year 0 ended on 31st March 2021. So instead of maturing in July 2035, my account will mature on 31st of March 2036. A small detail that makes a big difference. So remember, if you are opening a PPF account, try not to do it before 31st March to avoid any extra wait year. Now let's talk money. The current PPF interest rate is 7.1% per annum. Not bad for a government-backed instrument. But unlike FDs, where interest is added quarterly or monthly, PPF adds interest annually on 31st March, and it's calculated on lowest balance between the 5th and the last day of each month. That means if you want maximum interest, deposit your money before the 5th of every month. For example, if I deposit 1 lakh on the 6th of July, it won't count on July's interest, but if I do it on the 4th, I'll get the full month's interest. That's why every time I invest, I make sure that it's before the 5th of every month. Now let me show you some numbers from my account. In the first year, I deposited small chunks, that is 2,000, 2,500, 500, and by the end of the financial year, I earned 524 rupees in interest. Not massive, but that's how compounding begins. The next year, I ramped it up, deposited 2.36 lakhs. But remember, in a year, you are only eligible to deposit 1.5 lakhs. Now I earned 6,809 rupees in interest. Fast forward to 2025. I've already deposited the full 1.5 lakhs within the first 3 months of the year. The power of disciplined investing shows in my statement. In 1 year alone, I earned 38,270 just in interest. Now here's why I love PPF. It's unbreakable. This is my piggy bank for my future things. For example, in future, if I want to invest for my child and by the time he or she turns 18, I will have a good corpus for his or her education. Since it's a promise and I cannot break it midway like mutual fund, I stay disciplined. No temptations to spend it on a new car or a new phone or a new interior renovations, not like that. It's logged and I like it that way. In 15 years, if I keep investing 1.5 lakhs annually, I'll put in 22.5 lakhs and earn 18.18 lakhs rupees in interest. Total 40.68 lakhs. And if I extend it to another 5 years, it can cross 50 lakhs. That's the plan. Now, let's get real. Yes, mutual funds can give higher returns. If you invest in SIPs with 12% or 14% expected returns, you might end up with more than 70 lakhs in 15 years. But the market comes with risk and timing is everything. One of my relatives had 55 lakhs in mutual funds and planned to buy a property. Just when he gave the token amount, the Israel and Iran conflict broke out and the Sensex tanked by over 10,000 points in a month. He nearly lost 8 to 10 lakhs in just days. That's why I say, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Mix it up. Put some money in equity, some in gold, some in PPF. Because when the market crashes, it's your safe investments like PPF that give you peace of mind. Okay, before moving forward to the video, I would really like, since I'm talking about all the finances, the investments, savings and everything, what if all this information you will get from a perfect expert who has already done it, and that too in a perfect way. For that, there is Bosswala. This incredible app is just like wow. For just rupees 999 for the whole year, you will get access to 500 plus courses. Additionally, you will get every information in more than 5 languages. For downloading the app, you just need to click on my channel profile or the description. Let's move on to the video. PPF is not perfect. The ROI has gone down over the years. It used to be 8.7%, now it's 7.1%. It might change again. But remember this thing, you cannot open more than one account. You cannot have joint accounts, and NRIs are not allowed to open one. But here's what you do get. Tax-free interest, safety of capital, and long-term discipline the most investors struggles with. You can even take a loan between the 3rd and the 6th year and closes early under certain circumstances, certain conditions like medical or higher education situations. Okay, one more thing. My advice to you that if you are a sole earner in your family, don't just stop at PPF. Get a term insurance plan for your family with a proper and a good health insurance as well. And what if I tell you that you can compare multiple insurance and choose which is the best for you? Because Policybazaar offers multiple options. With just 600 to 700 rupees per month you have to pay as premium, and you'll get up to a 2 crores of coverage. Up to 15% discount is going on, and you can have 51 plus insurers as well. Because see, what will you do of all the savings and all the investments that you are making when you are not there? If you are the sole earner, you have to manage your family with the expenses, with their finances, and of course with the mental peace. Even if, touch wood, it doesn't happen, but even if something happens to you, who will take care of your family? Because we all know any medical emergency or any critical situations, any emergency, they do not knock the door. They just arrive. And also, if nobody is even thinking that what will happen to their family if they are not there, and also if they are the sole earners, then you should try to have a good insurance plan. And the best part that Policybazaar is offering, that you can compare over 51 companies in one place and choose the best policy that suits you. Plus, when you buy online, you also get the additional 15% discount. If you are young, this is the best time to secure your family's future at the lowest cost. Check the link in my description section and you can compare everything. So act early and invest smartly. Now think, what if any medical emergency arrives at your doorstep? And now think, with just 400 to 500 rupees per month, you can actually entertain those emergencies with getting up to 1 crore health coverage. You can compare policies from over 51 companies in one place and choose what's best for you. What I love is the claim support is super fast. Just 30 minutes claim assistance. Plus, even if you are planning for your family, here's a bonus. Even maternity benefits are covered with just 3 months waiting period. Even if someone is 5 or 6 months pregnant, they can still buy and get covered. It's rare to get such benefits. Want to explore more? Just check out my description section. So stay protected and stay ahead. But always remember, do not mix investments and insurance. Keep your investments and your protection separate. Since I've told you that you cannot open 2 accounts in PPF, like you want to go to a bank and open a PPF account and then again you went to the post office to open a PPF account, you cannot do that. But if you do not invest any amount in the PPF account for 2 years, your account will be blocked. But there is nothing to worry about, because you just have to pay a minimal amount of penalty, like for example 100 rupees, and you can restore your account. So on payment of 1100, your account which was inactive for 2 years will be active again. 100 is the penalty and 1000 will go onto your own account. I know there are multiple government schemes which offer better returns than PPF. You can opt for that also, like for example Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana is there. I guess the returns are better from PPF, but the maturity time period is 21 years. In this PPF, we have 15 years. I know 15 years is also like a lot, but I will not find a Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana unless and until I want to invest something for my daughter. But waiting for 21 years will be quite more for me. You can always have this option according to your financial capability or your risk appetite. But I will really suggest to have all full-fledged research before investing in any of the schemes. Even if it is mutual funds or the stocks or the equity market, anything, you need a proper research. Even if it is a government scheme, do your own research. And if you want any information on any kind of government scheme, do tell me in the comment section. I've told you everything about the PPF. The maturity time period is 15 years. The maximum amount that you can deposit in PPF account is 1.5 lakhs, starting from 500, just 500 rupees. So invest smartly, act smartly, and I know you will do great in your financial journey. I hope you like this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and also share this video to everyone else who is hoping to have a better financial life. And I am Ansi. We'll see you in the next video.
Boss Wala. Be the boss.